Branch pipe layout. To draw branch lines we are going to use AutoCAD program command called branch pipe layout. Branch pipe layout command can be called through AutoCAD menu or by toolbar or by command prompt. The short form to call branch pipe layout command is BRP. When this command is called, branch pipe layout tab will be opened. We can select type of system using this pop-up list: tree type or grid type. Branches to be drawn will be set to layer defined in this area. Branch arm length can be fixed using this edit box. Branch line orientation can be fixed using these categories. Main line from where branches to be drawn shall be selected using this main line button. To connect sprinklers to the selected main line, click Select Sprinkler button to select sprinklers. Branch pipe drawn.